Thank you very much for joining me for this session of Dr. Plotzker's Mind. Finished my next to the last course from the Osher Institute of my state university. One more class tomorrow, one that I like less than the one that I attended today, but still one that I should not skip, having missed it last week, and my classmate wife missing some of it tomorrow. Then a break for the summer. Now, I might have had two more. On Thursday, I take a Zoom course, which was canceled as the instructor became unavailable. For the first half of the semester, I had taken a Friday morning course from my favorite ongoing instructor. Unfortunately, he took ill about midway through the program and had to cancel, but hopefully he will be back in full strength in the fall, if not for the summer program. There is a summer program. I've never taken it. I like having my summers mostly free of appointments, a chance to take some short trips, occasionally a long trip, to do things that I might not otherwise get to do. As a new grandfather, I'd like to see the grandchildren again. One a 5-hour drive, the other a 5-hour plane ride. But that grandchild will be coming to me for a few days while the Osher Institute goes on summer session. I haven't thought much of what I would like to do in the fall. In fact, I've not rated my courses. They give an option of commenting on the experience. The experience for the spring semester has been far better than the experience for the fall semester, even with the cancellations. I was closed out of two courses, and another, I was unsuitable for lack of adequate background. I can take that one in the fall when no prerequisites are required for beginners, but I could not take it in the spring. Might I want to give myself a semester off? That's an interesting question. I thought about it for the spring semester this year after a rather disappointing experience last fall. But on looking through the catalog, I found things that I would like to take. My expectation is that will be the same in the fall. There are a few courses that repeat every fall, some of which I've taken before, but the experience changes a little bit each year, even if the instructor does not. For the summer, I will have fewer days in which I must be at a certain place at a certain time. I'd like to take full advantage of that. Usually I do. But on reflection at the end of the summer, there's always a little bit of regret of what I could have done but didn't. So with one more course to go, I will do my best to pay full attention to the instructor, then give myself a day off, fill out the course evaluations so that some of them can be modified in a way, and then enjoy what the summer brings. Thank you very much for sharing this session of Dr. Plotzker.